Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP SmartTank 510 series wireless all-in-one printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser and you want to search for HP SmartTank 510 drivers. Best result, you come back with an HP support page that says HP SmartTank 510 Wireless All-in-One Series. Go ahead and open that up. And then on this page, you want to scroll down and you want to select the Easy Start Printer Setup software and download for that. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file to run it. And it should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. You want to select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. And then just follow through with the on-screen prompts to set up your configuration based on your settings, if you're going to be a wired or wireless-based connection, basically. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.